Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our math lesson today. Our math lesson is lesson 2.1, and we're talking about equal parts today. Your papers are in your green distance learning folder that you just brought home. And if you don't have it, we'll make sure you guys get it delivered today. All right, so the thing where we're going to work on is we're comparing groups to see whether they are equal by matching. All right, let's continue.
Do you see some toy cars? Are there the same number of red cars as there are yellow cars on the rug? How do you know? Show your work.
All right, so we need to find out if we have the same amount of red cars as we do yellow cars. How are we going to figure that out? Well, one thing that we can do is we can match them. So we can draw a line to one red car to a yellow car. So let's try that out. I'm going to get my pencil here, and you can use your pencil on your paper. So I'm going to draw a line from this red car to this yellow, and then this yellow to this red one way over here. And then I'm going to keep going. Keep going. All right. Now I've gotten all the red cars and all the yellow cars all have a match. Are they the same amount of yellow cars as there are red cars? Yes, because everybody has a buddy. Everybody has a match. So we have the equal or the same amount of yellow cars as we do red cars. All right, we're going to watch this short video.
How do you compare two groups? Let's find out. How can you compare the green and orange yo-yos? To compare, you need to match them one to one. How can you match them?
How can we match them, boys and girls? How did we do it with our cars before? We can line them up and draw lines.
You can line them up and draw lines to show how they can be matched. What does the picture show?
What does the picture show? The picture shows that we have the same amount of green yo-yos as we do red ones. And how did we know that? Because when we matched them up, there was no extras.
The yo-yos were matched by moving them and drawing lines. You see that every yo-yo has a match. There are no extras. Every yo-yo has a match. There are no extras. That means the groups are equal. Let's try another one. How do you compare these two groups of yo-yos?
How are we going to compare the red yo-yos to the blue to see if we have equal amounts? You got it. We need to make a line. We need to match up one red yo-yo to every blue yo-yo.
You can draw lines to match them. Is the number of red yo-yos equal to the number of blue yo-yos?
Does everybody have a match?
No. The groups are not equal. How do you know? There is an extra yo-yo that does not match. How does the picture show that they are not equal?
There is an extra. Do you see the extra red one?
There is not a line connecting the last red yo-yo to a blue yo-yo. Now you know how to compare groups by matching.
Wonderful. Let's keep going. Now this is on your sheet also, boys and girls, on the bottom of number 62. Now we have some red tops and we have some blue tops. How do we know if they're equal amounts? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to match one red yo one red top to one blue top. So let's get our pencil out, and we're going to match one red to one blue, one red to one blue, one red to one blue, one red to one blue. Is there any extras, or does everybody have a match? You are right. Everybody has a match. So that means they're equal. There's the same amount of red tops as there are blue. So we will circle this because they both are equal amounts. Wonderful. Let's go to the next thing. All right, now we're on page, we're going to flip it over, we're on page 63. All right, we're going to find out if we have equal amounts of Legos. Okay, let's take a look at number 2 here. Okay, so here's number 2. The first thing we need to do is match them up. We need to match green Legos with yellow Legos. So I'm going to match up this green one with this yellow one, this green one with this yellow one, this green one with this yellow one. All right, do we have equal amounts of green Legos and yellow Legos? No. How do we know? There's an extra one here that doesn't have a match. So we do not have equal amounts. We have more green Legos. So I'm going to put a big X because this is not equal amounts. All right, let's go to number 3. We're going to match. We're going to see if there's equal amounts of orange Legos and blue. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is match them up. We match them up. Does everybody have a match? They sure do. So we get to circle it because there's equal amounts. You guys are doing a great job. Let's take a look at number 4. Now we're going to match yellow Legos to purple to see if they have equal amounts. So again, we get our pencil out, match them up, match yellow to purple, yellow to purple, yellow to purple. Are there any extras? No. So if there's no extras, that means there's equal amounts. So we get to circle this one. All right, number 5. We're matching red Legos to blue Legos. Okay, here we go. Red to blue. Uh-oh, he does not have a match. Look, no other one. So do we have equal amounts of red Legos and blue Legos? No, we don't. We have an extra red one that does not have a match. So we need to put a big X on there. All right. Is that what you guys got too? I hope so. Let's take a look at our next sheet. This is independent practice. All right, so you're going to do the same thing. I want you to match them up. And let's do one together, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So you're going to look at these kites and see if there's the same amount of red and yellow ones as there is blue and purple. So what do you need to do? You need to match them up. Match, whoops, I need to get my pencil out here. There. And I'm going to match them up, match it up, match it up, match it up. Does everybody have a buddy or a match? Yes. There's no extras, so that means it's equal. So we circle it because there's equal amounts. All right. So check this one out by matching them up. Check these planes, these planes here with these, and then what you have to do is figure out which one of these yellow groups match the red, and then you need to circle that one. Is it going to be this one that has the same amount as these red, or is it this group of yellow going to have the same amount? And then you do that page, and then I want you to take a picture and put it on Seesaw so I can see your great work. All right, boys and girls, oops, I got you too far. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your math work.